Hey everyone, welcome back to the Auto Luxury Channel. Strong, reliable, and unapologetically bold, the 1975 Ford F-250 XLT Ranger was more than just a pickup, it was a statement. Today, we're taking a deep dive into this classic American workhorse, its design, comfort, performance, and what makes it a true icon in Ford's legendary truck lineup. Exterior. Make sure to like, subscribe, and hit that bell so you don't miss any of our classic car features. The 1975 F-250 XLT Ranger stood out with its no-nonsense, muscular design. Built on Ford's proven platform, this was the heavy-duty version of the popular F-Series, and the XLT Ranger trim. That meant it came with all the bells and whistles of the time. Up front, the square-jawed chrome grille and dual headlights gave it a strong presence. Ford's inside body style, referring to the body line that runs down the side, debuted in 1973 and continued through '79, giving this generation its distinctive look. This particular model sports two-tone paint, a classic combination that screams '70s Americana. Optional chrome bumpers, trim packages, and the large F-250 badging round out the rugged but refined look. Riding on 16-inch steel wheels with period-correct hubcaps, this truck looks just as good pulling a trailer as it does sitting at a car show. Interior. Step inside the F-250 XLT Ranger, and you're greeted with something rare in 1970s pickups: comfort. The XLT Ranger package brought upgraded materials, carpeting, and a padded dash. This truck features a full-width bench seat, often finished in vinyl or cloth, surprisingly plush for a heavy-duty rig. Check out that classic two-spoke steering wheel and the simple but functional gauge cluster, speedometer, fuel, oil pressure, amps, and coolant temp, all analog and easy to read. Air conditioning was optional but a welcome addition in this model, and yes, it still blows cold. The factory AM radio sits in the dash, and while it's not blasting Spotify, it's perfect for picking up a little classic rock. Performance. Under the hood, this 1975 F-250 offers the brawn to back up its looks. This model is powered by the 390 cubic inch V8, part of Ford's FE engine family, producing around 201 horsepower and 376 pound-feet of torque. A 360 V8 and even a 460 were also available, depending on configuration. This truck uses a 4-speed manual transmission, often paired with a granny low first gear, ideal for towing or working on rough terrain. Rear-wheel drive was standard, but many were optioned with 4WD, making them true off-road capable. And yes, this truck can haul. With a payload rating of over 3,000 pounds and serious towing capability, the F-250 earned its heavy-duty badge. The 1975 Ford F-250 XLT Ranger isn't just a truck, it's a piece of American history. From its rugged exterior to its surprisingly refined interior, and a powertrain built to last, it's easy to see why these trucks are still loved by collectors, farmers, and classic car enthusiasts alike. If you're looking for a vintage pickup that still turns heads and works as hard as you do, the '75 F-250 XLT Ranger is tough to beat. Thanks for watching. Like, comment, and share your favorite classic truck memory below.